What's up, everybody? We're here with the new update on the IQ, the cart mode. I'm going to show you guys, Daniel and his team made a really great cart mode on the actual IQ, so you can just toggle through regular and go to cart mode. And what we did is we put some hash rosin in here that was just, I'll show you what it looks like. Let me show you what we put in. This is what we actually put in there. You can see it's cold cured hash rosin. It's really stable. We put it in the rosin pot and we put it on cart mode. We set it for 180 degrees for 42 hours. Left it in there. It was in the decarb chamber, the decarb capsule, and inside a silicone pot. And then after we make sure the oil has met the viscosity that we wanted, we just put a glass syringe on the plates and a cart. We heat it up on the plates, makes it a little easier to put it in. And then you could see the actual rosin itself is here, and you could see how it's runny. So it changed from this to the running rosin here. And then what we'll do is we just take the cart and we'll suck it up in the actual cart, or in the actual syringe, sorry. And then what we do is take the actual cart here, which is just on here, and we'll just unscrew it, the top. It's real easy. Stick it in. There's absolutely no additives to this, which is great. And we just go ahead and take some more in. Be real slow with it. Take your time. And I think I put 2 grams in here initially, is all I did. So it'll fill a couple carts, what I have here. And you can keep it, you can store it, and fill your other cart when you want to.
If you buy those glass syringes on Amazon too, they come with caps a lot of times too, so you can pre-fill them and put caps on them as well.
Okay, so Daniel made a good point, guys. If you buy these on Amazon, they're glass syringe. They come with the caps. You can fill them up to take all this out, leave them in this. But you see that cart's pretty full now, and all I'm going to do is put the top on it, and it allows the viscosity of the actual rosin now, without any additives, allows it to soak into the wick, which is great. And what I like to do before I hit them, I like to put the cart back on there, get it nice and warm, and that'll allow the rosin to get into the wick and flow nice. And there's all kinds of different carts you can use. Some work better than others. I don't use them a lot, so I don't do a lot of it. Then you can stick it on any battery you want. Yeah, let's see.
Starting to get a little bit.
Tastes great, actually. Tastes really good.
Nice.
Yeah. So there's a great way to make carts, guys, without any additives. If you want all natural rosin like you're making in your machine, especially if you have hash rosin like that, you can really make a nice cart. And let me give you a close-up look at that.
There you go.
Really good. Try it.
Sure.
And guys, I'll go through the process one more time with you. I took 2 grams of cold cured hash rosin, looked just like that was extracted on the IQ. I'm sure you can see it in one of the previous videos. And then I took the actual 2 grams, I put it in a rosin pot, put the IQ in cart mode, set it for 180 degrees, left it on for 42 hours, because I know that that's this strain, GMO. Some strains I only need to leave on for 26 hours or 24 hours, some for 48, so to achieve the viscosity that I want. So you just leave it on a little longer if you haven't achieved that viscosity. So sometimes you could start at 18 hours, set it for 18 hours, come back next day, look at it, see where it's at. If you haven't achieved the viscosity on that, you know, set it for another 18 hours or 12 hours, depending on what strain it is. And you'll figure out exactly where you need to be on your exact strain for your carts. But then after that, I took it out of the little rosin pot here. And this is what was left in the silicone jar. Set the silicone jar on the plates with the syringe, which I'm gonna set back on the plates and fill all this up in the syringe. And then I took the syringe, sucked it out of there and put it in the actual cart right here. And that's how we did it. So it's real simple, real easy. It's a way to make carts without any additives, without any chemicals, all natural. It's the exact rosin that came out, and it's not decarbed yet. The viscosity is just taken all the way down so that it's runny enough to get in the cart now, or get through the wick. Now, once it hits the, once it hits the coil, through the wick and hits the coil, it actually decarbs the rosin and you get the hit. So you actually taste terps and everything in it. It's really nice. So that's a great way to make carts all natural. Everybody's always asking me how to do it. This is the absolute right way to do it. And a lot's come around the last 5-6 years in terms of carts. You know, we used to use additives and put terpenes and cutters and thinners in it. And a lot of those people were using vitamin B oil, remember that?
Yeah.
Vitamin B, when you burn it, it changes to a poison. So that's the exact wrong thing to use.
Yeah,
so
for sure.
we know if we're just using the rosin and we're not putting anything else in it, it's it's the best for you. And this is how, if I'm traveling and I have a cart, this is exactly how I make them and how they're done. So thanks for watching, you guys. Please like, subscribe, tell a friend. Check out the IQ. This update will be available on the IQ if you're already an IQ owner in a short amount of time. So make sure you're checking back, or you're checking your update screen on the IQ to see if there's any updates available and updating those. Remember, when you're updating IQ, just let the update take place. Let the machine completely reboot and restart. Don't get impatient and don't turn it off. Make sure you have a good internet connection when you're doing it. And thanks for watching. Did I miss anything?
No, that's it.
Okay, guys, until next time.